Okay, I'm going to go over the answers to the practice for percent abundance and average atomic mass. So if we take a look here, we're going to do the same thing that we did before. We're going to make our counts. And so I have two different isotopes of chlorine, 35 and 37. So let's look for all the 35. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have 21 of isotope 35. Then I'm going to do my count of chlorine 37, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then I'm going to add these two together. 21 plus 7 gives me a total number of atoms of 28. So I'm going to do my percent abundance, which remember is the number of atoms divided by the total number times 100. So 21 of isotope 35, dividing it by 28 times 100. Put that into my calculator. So 21 divided by 28 times 100, and I get 75%. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I've got 7 atoms with a mass of 37 divided by the total, which is 28, times 100. And so 7 divided by 28 times 100 should equal 25. Okay. So now it says calculate the average atomic mass for chlorine. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to take my mass of my first, which is 35, times its abundance, which is 75, plus, and then I'm going to do my next one. So my mass is 37 times its percent, which is 25. And then this is all going to be over 100. So I'm going to put that into my calculator like this. 35 times 75 plus 37 times 25. Hit enter. Divided it by 100, and I get 35.5. If I look on the periodic table, I can see chlorine right here is 35.45, which would round up to 35.5. So that is the correct answer. We're going to do one more. So this example number 3, we're going to do this for copper. So I'm going to take a look again, and I'm going to do my counts. So copper 63. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 9 total that are copper 63. I'm going to count my copper 65. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 plus 4 is going to be 13 total atoms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to be dividing these by 13 each, timesing by 100. And so we're going to go 9 divided by 13 times 100 equals 69.2. And then I'm going to do the same thing for copper 65. So 4 divided by 13 times 100. And I have 30.76, so that would round to 30.8. Okay, and those add up to 100, which it should. Now I'm going to do my average atomic mass. So to do the average atomic mass, I'm going to take the mass, which is 63, times its percent, which is 69.2, plus, then I'm going to take the next one, its mass is 65, times its percent, which is 30.8, and then this is all going to be over 100. So I'm going to put that into my calculator. The first thing I want to do is do the top, so 63 times 69.2 plus 65 times 30.8, enter, divided by 100, and I get 63.6. And if I look at the periodic table, copper is right here, 63.6, and you see that that mass is 63.55, which would round up to 63.6. We did the math right.